Welcome to the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show. Today, instead of making a recipe for you for the holidays that are coming up, because I have a broken hand, which makes it really difficult to cook, I'm just going to share with you some really great Thanksgiving and holiday recipes. And these are some of these we will probably be having for our Thanksgiving dinner.
It's the all-free whole food plant-based cooking show.
So we're going to start off with the main course, of course. And instead of having turkey, which is the traditional thing that most people have for Thanksgiving, being whole food plant-based, of course, you wouldn't have that. So I like to have our G-Bomb pilaf. It is so delicious and filling, and it has all of those traditional flavors of Thanksgiving. It's got a gravy, it's got sage, it's all around, it's just delicious. I love it. And rosemary, it's a great dish. So what you can pair with that is the green bean casserole. And that's a pretty traditional thing that you would see just about any Thanksgiving meal, right? But it's vegan. So even if you're taking this to someone's house, if you're joining your family for Thanksgiving, these are things that you can bring along, and they can still have their traditional things, like the turkey or whatever they are going to fix. But then you have these side dishes to guarantee that you will have something to eat and to share. So along with that, as an appetizer, you can bring the 7-layer dip. That's another really classic thing that most people bring to potluck dinners and things like that. You can also make my gluten-free quinoa bread, and that will go great with any Thanksgiving meal or holiday meal. It's good for sopping up gravy. You can also bring a cornbread. Cornbread is another great recipe to bring to a potluck. I think most people like cornbread, and it's so great if you can just glob on a big pile of cranberry sauce on it. Yum. And for the 2 desserts, sweet potato pie, because there probably will be pumpkin pie for everyone to enjoy, but sweet potato pie is something a little bit different, and it can be vegan, but no one is going to know. Trust me, people will gobble it up. Also, my chocolate pudding pie. This is something that my grandma would make every single year for Thanksgiving and for Christmas dinner. That was the favorite pie and the one that disappeared the quickest. But this is my version of her chocolate pudding pie, vegan, of course. And while you're cooking your Thanksgiving meal, why not make a coffee cake so that you can have a little coffee and a little coffee cake while you're making your Thanksgiving meal? It's so warm and delicious, and it will fill your house up with that smell of cinnamon, and it just makes you feel in that holiday spirit. So I hope you all have a great holiday season and Thanksgiving, and enjoy all of these great recipes with the added benefit that you won't feel like taking a nap afterward. And I'll see you next time.